Here's the fastest way to structure a research paper in Word, with clean headings, spacing, and page numbers. We'll build a simple academic layout, title page basics, heading styles, page numbers, and a references ready finish. Start with your document setup. First, open the Layout tab, check margins, then keep your spacing consistent before you start typing. Choose Layout, then Margins, then Normal for a standard academic page. Now format your headings. Next, use Home and the Styles gallery. Apply heading 1 for major sections and heading 2 for subsections. Finish with page numbers. Finally, go to Insert, then Page Number, and pick top of page for a simple academic look. Use Ctrl-Alt-1 for heading 1 and Ctrl-Alt-2 for heading 2. Pro tip: use paragraph spacing, not extra enter keys. It keeps your paper cleaner and easier to edit. Since you're already writing in Word, GenText can handle citations and bibliography updates alongside your paper. If you want citations and references handled inside Word, try GenText.